live with my mom, 3 siblings, my son, and my husband. How do we keep a small apartment with a multi-generational family organized? That is what I'm going to share with you today. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and the founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. And this video may or may not be a fit for your lifestyle. I understand. It's all about the imperfectly perfect organizing journey, which means that some tips will work for you and some will not, which is okay. I am all about making it your own and customizing it to the journey of who you are today and where you are today. Many of us don't have the luxury of having our own place. Many are living in a multi-generational households. Whether you are in a situation because of your culture, the cost of high living, or even because of a divorce, it is not easy. Although multi-generational living has the benefits of saving money and built-in childcare, there are still a lot of members in a household, which means it can be hard to organize the way that you like. And well, lack of privacy and personal space too. Trust me, I know. I live with my mom, 3 siblings, my son, and my husband. Not to mention, both my sisters and my son are on the autism spectrum. So how do we keep a small apartment with a multi-generational family organized? That is what I'm going to share with you, going for. Now that we've discussed the personal spaces, we can talk about shared spaces in your home. Savvy solutions. When creating an organized system for yourself and your family, you will want to make sure that you are matching your family's needs and lifestyle. Look at your daily routine and adjust your belongings to match it, such as having frequently used items front and center for easy access. Declutter everyday clutter. Encourage all to remove easy everyday clutter, such as garbage or recyclable items, from your surfaces. By removing the quick grab items, you are instantly reducing the clutter in your home. Start with the easy stuff. Remove the trash. Grab your garbage bag or bin and remove an item that you know is trash or garbage from your space. Don't think twice about it. Grab and put it into the bag or bin. And repeat. Do the same thing when you see snack wrappers, tissues, and more. Collect recyclables. Grab your recycling bin or bag and repeat the same process. You're looking for pop cans or unneeded papers that you don't need. Electronic recycling. You can look for items that are not working or outdated. There's many companies out there that would happily take your broken electronics. You can also recycle batteries at certain locations. When you do decide to do a big seasonal or yearly decluttering session, use this time to really go through your items. Decluttering doesn't mean you have to get rid of something. It can simply be as relocating an item to another area that is better. What does everyone use all the time? Sometimes and not at all. Use that to determine where it goes. Zones for shared spaces. Unless you create each person a mother-in-law suite, you're gonna have to create zones in shared spaces. These spaces include the living room, the kitchen, and in some cases, the bathroom too. When you make it clear what goes where in your home, it'll make life so much easier to work with. Here are ways you can do this. Create zones for items within each shared space so it is clear that this spot is designated for these items, such as cleaning areas, remote control areas, snack areas, and more. The goal is to keep everything that is the same together and create a central home for it. For example, if you're working on the kitchen, create a zone for all your bake items, for your cooking and prep utensils, and one for your daily coffee needs, and keep the process going. Use bins to break down these zones further into categories. For example, the cleaning area can be broken down into sponges, trash bags, recycling bags, dish soaps, and cleaners. Use labels to identify where everything needs to go and where to find it. This will make it easier for anyone to put groceries away or items back to where it belongs. It doesn't have to be fancy. Use the label maker, mailing return staples, even Post-its, return labels. You can buy labels from Etsy, Amazon, use sticker paper, Cricut, everything. For personal items, put a label on so you know that these snacks are just for you and no one else. You don't want anyone to use it. So if you have the space, have a labeled bin or shelf dedicated to your items for within your shared spaces, like your pantry, your fridge, bathroom, and so on. When you set up your home this way, you will find and put away your things much easier. Put items back when you're done with them. Find time each day to put things back in their proper places instead of throwing items in junk drawers, shelves, or cabinets. This is going to save everyone in your home and household the trouble of having to search for items. We've all been there. Maximize your space. Rotate your items seasonally, especially for the entryway. So only items that belong to that season is out. You can use a storage bin or vacuum sealed bags. Utilize wall space under your bed is what I use, and so much more. Here, find out more about organizing all aspects of your life. You can check out my blog, cityofcreativedreams.com. It has a jaw-dropping free resource library filled with organizing printables and my favorite organizing resource lounge with all my favorite things. If you want to stop hiding your clutter and make your home break-worthy, check out my custom home organizing design service called Inspired by Organizing. It is not your average organizing service. I've leveled up the way you think professional organizing looks like by creating something more custom for do-it-yourself organizers out there. And the best part is that I can organize your space in your home without physically going into your home and only using photos or videos sent by you. Happy organizing. Thank you.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.